All right. Don't mind me eating steak over here. Quick trading review for Thursday. It hasn't been great. I'm just gonna not cut my steak. It's too late. Okay, so I'm gonna say that this was just wrong buy stay pretty much. Where I was trying to long when we were dumping on the day. It amounted to, let's see, what was my overtime frame? Okay, so we stooped to high. We obviously were bearish going the next day, and that's what I was faulty to discover. As we're dumping, I'm like, okay, we're reaching in these levels of hold up. These levels of discount, baby. So I'm like, okay, if we're in discount, then I'm like, and expect a long, and we did get a long, but it took a couple tries, you know. So, and the stupid long, I got like one ticked on. First loss was this liquidity pool here. Boom, marked it out. We were like, oh, blah, 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 drop in, true negative, open. So we had the manipulation up here. We started displacing. This was bad because it was on a displacement, but I could have gone break even on this because we had a reaction up. Lost 200 on that. And the next one, we run down, hit the extension levels. There should be another liquidity pool. Yeah, one right here. We soup this. We expand up. We create this fair value gap. And I'm looking for a soup inside. We get a soup inside fair value gap. It one takes me and then runs up. I could have gone break even on this, so that's another one. So you can tell I went over my limit today. That's not good. So I should have stopped at that trade. But the third trade was actually good. And the thing is, I got like one tick stopped on it. So I was entered. This was the final liquidity pool I was looking for. This one. And so we souped it below the extension level, and we continued up. It would have been low a day. Sad, bro. Holy chop though. So yeah, that would have been kind of crazy if I caught that. But it is what it is. It was just hard, like predicting the bottom on this market, and you know I'm not supposed to predict the bottom. I should have taken continuations if there's presented any. Like I don't even know if we had any. Like that's what I'm saying. It's like I don't know if we had any continuations, so I was just looking for a trade where I should be sitting out. Because if we don't have any continuations to the downside, like maybe this was one here. If we don't have obvious continuations to the downside, then I should just be chilling and not trying to participate. Yeah, that was a continuation there today. That was 932. So this trade is valid once we soup this low. And here I could have taken one. I got to stop one tick, and I would have made profit on the day. But it is what it is. Yeah, I don't know what else to talk about. That was really the main buys for the day. We're over all these true opens. Y'all know it's just candle openings pretty much. Lower the range. It's freaking the expansion was so choppy. I forget this initial displacement down to downside. It just chops around. Like even if I was in this trade, I would have to wait forever just to get like my TP, which I probably would have set TP like either these highs or these highs. So yeah, quick one for Thursday. 3 losses on the day, which sucks. But I mean, they're small compared to other stuff. And yep, negative 600, I think, something like that. I'll write it in my bio or my what's it called title. All right, that's it, boys.